Okay, here's a scenario that catches a lot of drivers in Kentucky off guard. Someone buys car insurance, meets the state's minimum requirements, sees a manageable monthly bill, and thinks, all right, I'm covered. But in Kentucky, that assumption can get risky fast.
And really can. Kentucky is a no-fault state, which means your own insurance pays for injuries first, regardless of who caused the accident. That's where personal injury protection comes in. The problem is, many drivers don't understand how limited that protection actually is.
So even though it's a no fault, liability still matters.
Exactly. Kentucky's minimum liability limits are 25, 50, 25, which keeps you legal, but those limits can disappear quickly in a serious accident. And if damages exceed your coverage, you're still financially exposed.
Especially if multiple vehicles or injuries are involved.
Right. And another overlooked issue here is uninsured and underinsured drivers. If someone hits you and doesn't have enough insurance, your coverage needs to be ready to step in, or you're paying out of pocket.
So drivers can follow the law, do everything right, and still end up with unexpected bills.
That's the trap. Minimum coverage protects compliance, not your finances. And while Kentucky does allow drivers to opt out of no fault, most people don't fully understand what that choice actually means for their risk.
The good news is that better coverage in Kentucky is often more affordable than people expect.
Especially when you compare carriers instead of defaulting to the first quote you see. Small upgrades in coverage can make a big difference.
Don't wait until after an accident to find out your policy came up short. Click our quote button to compare Kentucky car insurance options and see what real protection actually costs.
Protect more than just your license. That's the cheapinsurance.com difference.